That 3% mortgage you've been clinging to, it might be the very thing that's keeping you stuck in a life you've totally outgrown. Let's be honest, everyone is obsessed with interest rates right now. You hear it everywhere. I get it. On paper, it sounds like you're winning. But here's the brutal truth. You don't live on paper. You live in your home, and life happens. So ask yourself, are you really going to stay in that house for the next 5, 10, 15 years? Maybe you think you will, but if any of this rings true, your family's grown or moved out, you're creeping up on retirement, you're itching for a change or dreaming of a new lifestyle, then you've got to ask yourself the real question. What's it actually costing me to stay stuck just because of a number on a spreadsheet? And I'm not talking about what your neighbor said or some TikTok economist. Fannie Mae surveyed over 100 top housing market experts, and the consensus, home prices are projected to keep rising every year through at least 2029. So yeah, waiting might feel safe, but it could cost you tens of thousands more on your next home. And you know what's worse than overpaying? Living in a house that no longer fits your life. Fear is the #1 reason people stay stuck. Settling, shrinking, living smaller lives than they want. But the market's not going to pause, and neither is your life. It's time to stop thinking in percentages and start thinking in possibilities. If you want real data, a smart game plan, and guidance based on this local Austin market, let's talk. I'm James Brinkman, Brink, with Homes by Brink at austinrealestate.com. And in Austin, when you think real estate, think Brink. I'll see y'all soon.